Hi, I am so happy you are here with me today. This try-on haul is all about these tan Thong Mule heels, and I want to tell you why I picked them and what I expect to feel with them. The leather has that smooth, warm tan tone that looks easy to style, and the thong strap gives a clean, minimal line that keeps the foot open and light, and the square front adds a modern shape that I really like. The heel is slim and graceful with a height that promises a gentle lift, and the footbed feels softly padded to the touch. So I expect a calm, steady support that lets me enjoy the look without thinking about pressure points. What I love about thong mules in general is the mix of freedom and elegance, because the open back keeps everything airy, and the simple strap still looks refined. And that balance is what makes them perfect for summer outfits, from casual denim to a neat dress. In a moment, I want to focus on how they change my posture and mood, because a good mule should feel effortless and confident at the same time. And that is exactly the feeling I am hoping for with this tan leather pair. There is something about the way these tan thong mule heels feel that immediately changes my mood. The lightness under my feet and the gentle support from the thong strap give a sense of ease that I really enjoy. The warm tan leather has that soft, smooth texture that feels natural against my skin, and the color blends so well, it almost disappears, making the foot look longer and more delicate. I notice how the balance of the heel works in my favor. It has enough height to give me that elegant lift without creating tension in my legs, and the slim shape adds a refined touch that makes the whole design look sophisticated. The square front leaves enough room for my toes, so there is no tightness, and that comfort is something I value in shoes I want to wear for hours. Thong mules have always been a style I trust because they combine minimal design with versatility. The single strap keeps the look clean and open, while still holding the foot in place. They can work just as well with a casual summer outfit as they do with something more polished, and that makes them a reliable choice when I am deciding what to wear without overthinking. These tan ones have a timeless quality that makes them easy to imagine in so many settings. Neutral tones like this adapt to almost any color palette, so they can pair with soft linen pieces, bright floral dresses, or even simple denim, and still feel complete. They have a way of adding quiet elegance without trying too hard, and that subtlety is one of their strengths. The open back keeps everything airy, and that makes a big difference on warm days. There is no feeling of restriction, and the fit is secure enough to move naturally without adjusting or shifting. I like that I can enjoy the look and feel without needing to think about the shoes constantly. It is almost like they blend into the day while still leaving an impression. What stands out to me most is the balance between how they look and how they make me feel. There is confidence in the lift of the heel, comfort in the way the foot rests inside, and a touch of charm from the simplicity of the thong strap. These are the kinds of details that turn a simple design into a shoe that feels special every time I wear it. And that is exactly why I enjoy this style so much. One of the reasons I have always liked Thong Mules is the way they blend ease and elegance so naturally. They are one of the few styles that manage to stay simple and open. While still feeling refined, the thong strap itself is minimal and understated. But the effect it has on the look of the foot can be surprisingly flattering. It frames the front, without covering too much, giving a lighter line that makes the foot appear longer and more graceful. Another thing I appreciate about Thong Mules is how quick they are to put on, yet they still give the same sense of polish as more structured shoes. They are perfect for those days when I want to feel dressed up, but do not want the extra effort of buckles or laces. The open back and single strap make them ideal for warmer weather because they let my feet breathe and stay cool while still adding that touch of style. Over time, I have also noticed how versatile this type of shoe can be. Depending on the material and color, they can shift easily between casual and formal moments. A neutral leather pair can work for a summer lunch just as well as for an evening dinner. And that adaptability is something I always look for in heels. I know I will wear often. The Thong Mule design has been around for years and still feels relevant, which says a lot about its timeless appeal. With this particular pair in tan leather, I feel like all those qualities come together in the best way. The color is warm and blends seamlessly with many outfits, which makes them easy to style without thinking too much. The leather feels smooth against my skin, and the thong strap holds firmly, but gently, so there is no discomfort even after extended. Where the square toe is another detail I love because it gives more room for my toes to rest naturally without feeling cramped. The heel height is exactly in that sweet spot where it gives me a confident lift without making me feel unstable. It changes my posture in a subtle but positive way, encouraging me to stand taller and take steadier steps. I enjoy how that little change can shift my whole mood and make even a simple outfit feel more intentional and put together. These mules make me feel both comfortable and elegant, which is the perfect combination for my style. As I think about them, now I realize they have that rare balance between visual impact and physical comfort. The design catches the eye with its clean lines and warm color, while the fit keeps my feet relaxed and supported. That means I can enjoy wearing them for hours without that feeling of needing to change into something more comfortable later. They are the kind of heels that become part of your day instead of something you have to manage or work around. If you are someone who loves shoes that make you feel confident without sacrificing comfort, I think you would understand why I am enjoying these so much. They have the elegance to elevate an outfit and the simplicity to keep it easy and approachable. That is a combination I always look for, and I think it is what makes this style so timeless and loved by so many. Thank you for joining me and spending this time together. I always enjoy sharing these moments and discovering new styles with you. There are still so many pairs waiting for their turn, and I cannot wait to show them to you soon. If you like this one, make sure to come back for the next, because you never know which pair might become your new favorite. Until then, let's keep finding joy in every step and making every outfit feel just a little more special.